To download the CyberScout mobile app, follow these steps. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet and you have a compatible mobile device, such as a smartphone or tablet. The CyberScout app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Begin by locating the App Store on your device, which is the Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iOS devices. Open the App Store and tap on the search bar. Type in CyberScout and select the app from the search results. Once you have located the CyberScout app, tap on it to open its details page. On this page, you will see a description of the app, its features, and reviews from other users. To download the app, tap on the Install or Get button. You may be prompted to enter your password or use fingerprint or facial recognition to authenticate the download. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can download apps on your device. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically begin installing on your device. This process should only take a few seconds. When the installation is complete, tap on the Open button to launch the CyberScout app. The first time you open the app, you will be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions and create an account or login if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. After you have completed the registration process, you can begin using the CyberScout app to access its various features and services, such as identity theft protection, credit monitoring, and fraud alerts. The app is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily navigate through its different sections and find the information you need. To get the most out of the CyberScout app, take some time to explore its features and settings. Customize the app to meet your needs and stay informed about any updates or changes to the app. By following these steps, you can successfully download and start using the CyberScout mobile app to protect your identity and stay safe online.